Hey y'all, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic, and I just got a new Bluprint Project Plan box for Q1. Last quarter I picked a quilty one and it was super fun, and I did it and I showed it to you, and this time I was like, let's do something different and crazy. So I picked the knitting one. First off, I don't know how to knit. I was like, this is a good test to see how the tutorials are. If it can teach me, then definitely it can teach you too. So I'm going to show you everything that's in the box. And then my plan for tonight is to learn how to make this. And then I'll be able to give you feedback on the entire process. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. Yeah! I'm going to really show you. Let's go over to the table. So this is the box. For those who aren't aware, it is a subscription box. There's a new project that you can pick every quarter, and you have 5 different medium to choose from: crochet, cross stitch, knitting, quilting, and then there's one other general sewing one, and then I picked the knit one. So say hello to the second and shunk shawl. Second and shunk shawl. What's inside? Highland fingering yarn, Highland superwash sock twist yarn, circular knitting needle, bent tip needle set, stitch markers, a set of 30, and then that's what it's going to look like. Yeehaw! And it was designed by Erica Flory, and it is Cloudborne Fibers. It's going to be 86 inches by 29. This is so next level. I'm really excited about this. So let me just show you the whole thing up big. So hopefully that's what it's going to look like whenever I'm done. Let's take this stuff out of the box. So 1 yarn, 2 yarn, 3 yarn. And then these are the needles. I've never worked with that before, so this is going to be fun to figure out. And then stitch markers. This is great because I can use these for crochet too. And then bent tip. I don't have these. These are great for like weaving in the ends and stuff, so I'm curious how they're going to be used. And then these, I don't have a cake maker, so I'm going to figure out how to use these. I think you can do it without it. And I'm going to go to town, so dun dun. Let me open it. Okay, not gonna happen. I totally lied to you all. I was watching the videos on Bluprint, and when Vanessa said that you have to have a basic understanding of the knitting principles before you can watch the videos and know how to do it, I was like, I don't know any of that kind of stuff. And normally I would obsess and I would do it just to make sure that I had all this information for you, but I'm really working on self-care this year, so I'm going to take my time with it, and I already have some other Bluprint videos that I'm going to watch that I was sent, and so I'm going to list those in my blog. If you don't follow me on my blog or Instagram or Facebook, you're really missing out. Like, head over there, but I'm going to show progress and take my time, but it all looks really awesome. And what's new this year is that they now have a quarterly plan. That's an option, and it's $49.99 for quarterly. You get the box, you can pick any of the 5 projects, and you get full access to all of the classes, or you can do the annual. And then there's a deal right now for $159 on that after your 7-day free trial. So there are multiple options to enjoy all the Bluprint goodness and to become a part of this plan box, this awesomeness. It's on the floor of my stuff, but I'm gonna have fun with this. I promise I'm gonna share it. For now, come join the fun with me. Any of you knitters, if you want to help me out, go for it. But Bluprint's awesome. I love you, Bluprint. Bluprint is awesome. Yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed the video and keep it positive. Mr. Domestic out.